Does conflict or yelling send your stress levels to soaring? Do tight deadlines and educational changes leave you struggling to cope? In this video, we are going to learn how to manage and reduce school stress. Stay tuned. Welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how to manage and reduce school stress. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, I am so excited to be here. My name is Ursula Ijom. I'm a school businesswoman. I've been in school business for 10 years and it has been a fulfilling vocation for me. So if you are looking for an inspiration on how you can start and manage your school effectively, you are the right place. If you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my regular updates. In today's video, we are going to learn how to manage and reduce school stress. But before we begin, let's quickly look at the meaning and causes of school stress. Stress is the physical and mental response of the body to demands made upon it. It is the result of our reaction to outside events, not necessarily the events themselves. As the educational environment has become more turbulent and where pupil misbehavior has grown, so stress has become more widespread in the teaching profession. Not only does it impair the quality of life, but it can also detract from performance. It is important to understand that some stress is a variable element in any job. It provides challenge and motivation, helps to raise performance, and is an ingredient of job satisfaction. In the face of external challenge, the body excretes adrenaline, which boosts the performance of the heart, muscles, and brain, and prepares the body for fight or flight. But if we do nothing physical about the adrenaline flows, we remain tensed up. It is excessive, prolonged, or managed stress that causes problems, especially with type A personalities. Some problems can be severe, such as ulcer, heart attacks, strokes, anxiety, depressive illnesses, and even suicide. The causes of stress have a cumulative effect. Family crises such as divorce or bereavement pile on top of work pressure, of which the main factors in schools are pupil misbehavior, educational changes, poor working conditions, time pressures, role conflicts, confusion, and overload. Our own attitudes can exacerbate stress. We may be perfectionists who set impossibly high standards. We may worry too much about what others think of us. We may bottle up emotion. We may not be assertive enough to say no to unreasonable demands. To manage and reduce school stress, schools can help to deal with stress by adopting preventive measures. They can find out how their own management style and school's ethos lead to unnecessary stress among the staff and modify them accordingly. They can also review teachers' role to minimize confusion, conflict, and overload. At the personal level, those experiencing stress have several options open to them. Different people find help in different coping strategies, so you may have to experiment. Some of the things you can do by yourself are: 1. Think positively. Take control of your stress and anxiety by learning effective techniques to combat it. Relaxing body tension in order to reduce the physical sensation of stress is a good place to start. If your body is free of tension, your mind tends to be relaxed. This helps you concentrate, take decisions, and solve problems. When you are relaxed, you can view each task as a positive challenge and use stress as a stimulus to help you carry it out, giving a relaxing clue of achievement afterwards. Number 2, look after yourself. Be kind to yourself. Give yourself time in which you can choose what you want to do. Rest. Do nothing. Try a relaxation technique, massage or yoga. Have a long hot bath. Spend time with friends. Treat yourself with something special. Taking proper breaks and eating well do help to combat stress. Number 3, confront the problem. Try to stand back and look at the problem carefully. Break it down into manageable parts. Talk it through with someone else. Brainstorm solutions or get help if you need it. Try to manage your time effectively and learn to say no to unreasonable demands. Avoidance will not make the problem to go away and can often make it worse. Leaving everything to the last minute is a major source of stress to school leaders, teachers, and even students. Think about why you're finding it hard to get started. Fear of being judged or fear of failing. Starting a piece of work effectively reduces stress levels as it frees your mind, putting the thoughts of failure back into perspective. If you have had a role or a misunderstanding with someone, it really helps to avoid the issue. Talking it through with other person or with someone outside the situation often helps you express your feelings, regain a sense of proportion, and identify a way of resolving the differences. Find some distractions. Sport and physical activity helps you to relax physically and also releases endorphins in the body, which produce a real feeling of well-being. I hope these tips were helpful. If they were, don't forget to smash the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.